Hello, have you seen this puzzle before? You're sitting on a boat, floating in a pond, holding a rock. If you drop the rock into the pond, is the water level going to rise, fall, or remain the same? Interesting, right? Are you ready for the answer? So this is the pond, and this is the boat, and here's the rock. With the rock on the boat, the water level is at the 350 ml mark. With the rock in the water level is near the 300 ml mark. So clearly the water level has dropped. Let's try with a heavier rock, 75 grams. With only the boat, the water level is at the 300 ml mark. With the rock, the water level is at the 375 ml mark. After dropping the rock into the water level is back to just about 300 ml. Now, if you think about the upthrust that the water has to provide or is providing, the outcome is actually totally predictable. See you at the comment section and remember to click the like button. Ta-ta!